Automatic cat feeder. This automatic cat feeder focus on high quality pet products and committed to providing your pets with a healthier life and making your family happier. This pet feeder provides a closer relationship to you and your pets with recorded and portions help you to feed your pets regular and makes him feed safe and comfortable, easy to set up to time meals and portion with screen available to record iOS voice message, which is good way to interact with your pets. This feeder food dispenser is wall powered or battery powered. In case of a power outage, the feeder will continue to function. Size to assure your pet gets feed. Battery not included. It is easy to clean, separate, assemble, secure. Large capacity hopper. Premium feeder has a cover to prevent pets from causing pet food spilled all over the place. Please hold the safe feeder body when you move it to other places. This feeder is a perfect for you to handle the pet feeding issue. It allows your pet to adjust the eating habits and no more size. Batteries are not included. This pet feeder is suitable for small pets. Please hold the feeder body when you move it to other places. Suitable for dry food only. Food pellet size ranging from inches in diameter can ensure the food is dispensed smoothly without jamming. Please use can adapter and battery supply at the same time, which can ensure the feeder works well. There is a power outage for your pet's health. Please wash the hopper and feeding tray regularly. The feeder body should not be filled with water. Please use a wrung wet cloth to wipe. This allows you to program specify time and food up to meals a day. Easy to set up by the button to black screen reset program. The food focus provides closer relationship to voice. This feeder is wall powered on a battery powered. In case of a power outage, the feeder will continue to function on a batteries. Assure your pet gets feed included. These feeders come with a large transparent hopper suitable for small and medium pets like cat. An automatic reversal mechanism helps solve the problem of food stuck when filled with pet food. It can last a few days to weeks depending on your pet's eat. Keep your pet excited about meal times. Press and hold button for 3 seconds to then recording a message to use played as each feeding dispenses. This smart cat feeder is perfect for you to handle the pet feeding. It allows your pet to adjust the eating habits and no more batteries are included. This automatic feeder is suitable for sizes of cats or multiple families. The large capacity design is a great pet parents when you are busy with work or travel for a few days. You could see how much food dispenser is made of free material. Save the program is straightforward and you get a lot of flexibility to specific meal times and portion. You could set up to meal a day portion gain about only dry food is allowed. These cat feeders come with a decent and secure press power adapter batteries. In case of power outage, the feeder will continue to function on a batteries to ensure your pet